Electronics, transistor, bipolar junction transistor. Introduction, transistor. A bipolar junction transistor BJT has two PN junctions. It is a device which transforms current flow from a low resistance path to a high resistance path. That is important. This transfer of current to resistance has given the name to the device transfer resistor or transistor, since the device is made up of two junction diodes. It is generally called junction transistor. There are two types of junction transistors: unipolar junction transistors, bipolar junction transistor. Only majority Bipolar junction transistor only majority carriers transpose the current. Interaction of both the majority and minority carriers transpose the current. Construction details. A bipolar junction transistor is simply a sandwich of one type of semiconductor material, P-type or N-type, between two layers of the other type. A block representation of a layer of N-type material between two layers of P-type is shown in figure A. This is described as PNP transistor. Figure B shows an NPN transistor consisting of a layer of P-type material between two layers of N-type. The center layer is called the base. One of the outer layers is termed the emitter, and the other outer layer is referred to as the collector. The emitter, base, and collector are provided by terminals which are appropriately labeled E, B, and C. Two PN junctions exist within each transistor: the collector base junction and the emitter base junction. Circuit symbols for PNP and NPN transistor, figure C and figure D, together with the corresponding block representations. The arrowhead on each symbol always identifies the emitter terminal of the transistor. Also, in each case, its direction indicates the conventional direction of current flow. For the NPN transistor, the arrowhead points from the P-type base to the N-type emitter. For the PNP transistor, it points from the P-type base. Thus, the arrowhead is always from P to N. The center layer of the transistor is made very much narrower than the two outer layers. Also, the outer layers are much more heavily doped than the center layers. This causes the depletion regions to penetrate deeply into the base, and thus the distance between the emitter base and collector base depletion regions is minimized. PNP transistor and NPN transistor figure shown in figure. It consists of emitter, collector, base. Towards the base arrowhead is PNP transistor. Base to emitter arrowhead is NPN transistor, shown in figure A, B, C, and D.